I forget who asked this question. I want to say it was Kangaroo God. It said, "What is your retirement plan?" That's something that you had spoken with me privately about some of your thoughts on what you were going to do. And but did you ever come up with a solid plan? You were going to find an apprentice and he was going to rule the world and you were going to retire and sell the world or something like that?
You don't know how depressing that is. I mean, I'm 58, man. How long really can I do this? And I started in 1989. I spent 31 years building this business. I don't want to just sell the phone number and let it get absorbed and just drop, you know. Instead of what you may consider a sum of a lot of money now, I'd rather just have a little money forever. So I'd rather somebody that was worthy, that could just keep it where it's at and not destroy it. And that's my retirement. And they don't have to have any money. They don't have to pay me nothing. They just take over, hand it right over. They take right over and pay me till I die. And if I die early or quick, they have to pay my wife till she dies. But regardless, there it is. There's a 30-year business. You can have it. You can make yourself pretty decent living, and you don't have to start from the ground up. I mean, that's basically the simplicity of the plan. But finding, I mean, like I say, my oldest son, he's 32, would be a great candidate, but he's a scholar. He's an academic. He's a pastor. No interest in being a mechanic. So I'm just looking for that really good star, service tech that wants to come in and then learn the rest of the business and give me 5, 6, 7, 8 years. And I'll just drop out and say, here you go, because I have stuff I want to do.
And what about your guys you have already? Is there no guy that could be that person for you? Is it the lack of business nature that's going to be the deciding factor between your guys and doing it? Because you have people that you obviously trust technically, but they don't have the business mind.
I can teach that, because I'm going to tell you right now, you reach a point, like you need to be able to build a business. But once you get it built, you reach a point to where it needs to leave your hands, and it needs to go to a bookkeeper and an accountant. And basically you just show up to work every day.